that will change your financial future. Money flows to me. Viral money affirmation. Listen to this every day, and your mind will begin operating at the level of wealth, because money does not respond to need, it responds to belief, and belief can be trained. Take a slow breath in and then release. Let your shoulders relax. Let your mind become still. Wealth begins as a pattern of thought, and the thoughts that you repeat become the reality that you live. Right now, you are installing the mindset of financial expansion. Not someday, right now. Pause and listen. Money flows to me easily and fast. My wealth is growing, built to last. Opportunities find me every day, increasing my income in every way. I welcome abundance into my life, replacing fear, replacing strife. My mind is calm, focused, and clear. Financial expansion is already here. I deserve wealth, I accept gain. Prosperity flows again and again. My actions create measurable reward, increasing income more and more. Money is drawn to all I do because I create value. That is true. My income grows beyond the past. Financial momentum builds and lasts. I release scarcity. I release fear. Abundance is already here. Pause. Let that settle. I think like the wealthy, calm and wise. My financial reality expands and rises. My skills increase my financial power. My income grows hour by hour. Money flows through work I enjoy. Wealth expands without destroy. My decisions strengthen my base. Financial growth at a steady pace. I trust myself to build and scale. My income rises without fail. Opportunities appear clearly and fast. Building wealth that is built to last. I attract clients, growth and gain. Prosperity flows like steady rain. My value expands every day, increasing wealth in every way. I act with discipline and sight, building wealth with focused might. Money responds to clarity, and clarity lives inside of me. Pause. Feel the shift. I am becoming financially powerful. I am becoming financially free. Money trusts me because I trust me. I earn more than I've earned before and continue earning more and more. Wealth flows toward my calm control. Financial expansion is my role. My mind sees paths others ignore, leading me toward greater store. Money grows from seeds that I plant, expanding more than I had planned. I allow abundance to arrive. My financial future is alive. I expect wealth and wealth appears. I expect growth and growth is here. I expect expansion and expansion is near. Pause. Breathe. Money flows to me because I create value. Wealth grows around me because I allow it. Income expands beyond my past. Financial strength is built to last. My presence attracts opportunity. My decisions create prosperity. My mind operates at the level of wealth. My identity supports financial health. Money is no longer distant. It is present. It is building. It is here. Pause. Let this truth settle into your nervous system. Your mind is adapting. Your beliefs are strengthening. Your financial reality is shifting. Every repetition makes this stronger. Every breath reinforces expansion. Wealth is forming. Momentum is building. Money is flowing. And now, take a slow breath and listen again.